Alright. Solo. That's it. Don't crash, I think is what they say. Alright. Bankstown ground, Cherokee, November Romeo Mike, ready in the run-up bay for second solo.
November Romeo Mike, taxi holding point Bravo 5, runway 29 left.
Bravo point, Bravo 5, runway 29 left, November Romeo Mike.
Bankstown ground, 152, Metal Uniform Zulu, receive Bravo on Mike for office departure, request taxi.
Cody Uniform Zulu, taxi holding point Alpha 8, runway 29 right.
Holding point Alpha 8, runway 29 right, Metal Uniform Zulu.
Alright, we're switching to power frequency, 1 alt. Fuel pumps on, mixture's rich. Go. Bankstown Tower, Cherokee November Romeo Mike, ready at holding point Bravo 5, runway 29 left for second circuit. Sorry, second solo, correction.
November Romeo Mike, Bankstown Tower, hold position.
Hold position, November Romeo Mike.
November Romeo Mike, line up runway left.
Line up runway left, November Romeo Mike. Alright, here we do again. Hopefully we'll get this one on video.
November Romeo Mike, follow the Foxbat on crosswind, runway left, clear for takeoff.
Following the Foxback traffic sighted, runway left, clear for takeoff, November Romeo Mike.
Bankstown Tower, Mike Alpha Quebec, holding point Bravo 5.
Best speed's alive, everything's in the green.
Bankstown Tower, line up runway left.
Line up runway left, Mike Alpha Quebec.
60 knots, and up we go. Boom. Climbing.
Whiskey Charlie Kilo, choppers north for the main pad.
Whiskey Charlie Kilo, join base main pad.
Whiskey Charlie Kilo.
Climbing, climbing. Up we go.
Follow the Cherokee upwind, runway left, clear for takeoff.
Fuel pressure's good,
Takeoff traffic in front, Mike Alpha Quebec.
everything's good.
Land 1548, downwind.
Fuel pump's off,
Foxbat 1548.
fuel pressure's good. 500 feet, we check right and left. Still climbing 80 knots. Still climbing 80 knots. Taking right, centre, left. Air turn. We're a little bit high, so we probably want to lose a little bit of speed. One stage of flap. We'll go for 2.
Mike Alpha Quebec, downwind, touch and go.
Mike Alpha Quebec.
Knots, we're losing height, which is good. Overheat on. 70 knots, 800. And third stage of flap. A bit high, but we're good. Right, carby heat off, we're turning final. Taking right, centre, left. 70 knots.
November Romeo Mike, runway left, clear, touch and go.
Runway left, clear, touch and go, November Romeo Mike. A little bit of power, we just want to get to the airport. 70, we're good. Then lined up center. 70 knots, looking good. Little bit of power. Get there. Here we go. 70 knots. Alright, landed. Center line and full power. Speed's alive, 60 knots. Up we go. Knots, looking good. In the center. Light to the end. Light to the end. Away. Alright, center, right rudder. Go. Airspeed live, 60 knots. Up we go. Let's do another one. Let's do 4. I think we should do 4. Awesome.
Quebec is there, what's that to go?
Hi, South Quebec.
Perfect, beautiful landing. Alright, center line and last time, let's do it. Let's make this a good one. Full right rudder, 60 knots. Up we go. Alright, one more. That's the way. Lovely landing. Wow. Alright. Bankstown ground, Cherokee, November Romeo Mike. Request taxi to Run Up Bay to pick up my instructor.
November Romeo Mike. Taxi to the Bay, report ready for further.
Taxi to the Bay, November Romeo Mike.